Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word lawyer. So the phonemic script that I use is taken from the Cambridge Online Dictionary. I'm a British person, so the version of English that I am teaching to you in these videos is obviously from that perspective. And for that reason, the reason I mention that is that with this word, as you can see in the phonemic script, on the right hand side, the final symbol is a small r at the top. This is important. This is a distinction between the kind of English that I speak and the kind of English that some other native speakers will speak. We'll get to that later though. So first of all, we need to think about syllables. So you can see here that dot in the middle tells us that the word is divided into two syllables, two chunks of sounds. And that blue mark top left tells us that the first syllable is the strong syllable. So taking that first strong syllable then, we've got the consonant sound L, L. So make sure that you're kind of moving the tongue forward when you make that L. It kind of brushes the top teeth. Don't curl it backwards because then you risk making the R, the R sound instead. So take care to make the L, L. And then we've got that double vowel, oi, oi. So putting them together, loy, loy. And then that second syllable. Basically, when we're pronouncing this word in isolation, not in a sentence, the R doesn't really come into play. It's just that weak schwa. So, basically. So if I build the word back up together, it becomes lawyer, lawyer. Now that tiny R would come into play if, as a British person, or certainly as an English speaker of English, if the next word begins with a vowel, my R comes into play. So, for example, if I say a sentence like, the lawyer is here, the lawyer is here, that tiny R will jump in to sort of link between the word lawyer and the word is. That's because where I'm from, my accent does not have a strong R sound in it. That being said, some other people who would identify as British will have this stronger R. For example, many Scottish speakers of English would pronounce this R much more strongly than I would, just as part of their local regional accent. So be cautious, that's what I would say with regards to understanding what we mean by correct pronunciation. I'm not saying this is the only way to pronounce this word. What we're looking at is the standard dictionary form. I think there are many beautiful accents in English, and it's important to remember that they're all equally valid. We're just working with a sort of standard version here. So let's bring it back together. We've got lawyer. Repeat after me. Lawyer. One more time. Lawyer. And a really important thing, now that we're looking at the orthography, the way that it's written, you don't want to pronounce that W. It's silent. So please don't say l-w. There's no w. Loy, oi, lawyer. So that's the top tip for today. Silent W. Lawyer. If you found that useful, you could subscribe, like, comment or share. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.